Hi, did you buy an action camera? Maybe you bought one of these. I bought one of these. Maybe you already had one of these. This is a Hero 920. I don't know. I bought it when most of you were still in diapers. Some of you may still currently be in diapers. But this is the Hero 6, latest release from GoPro. Fantastic little camera, but if you bought it, this is basically what you got. Some sticky things and this, which I'm not even really sure I'm supposed to be using this. It's from the packaging. Packaging was beautiful. When I bought my GoPro 920 circa 1974 edition, I also, for $30, bought one of these. Now, what is one of these? It's for your head. Honestly, I wore it a bunch. It kind of smells funny, and was concerned about wearing it anymore because it smells funny. I did get a lot of these from GoPro when I bought a very specific accessories pack. This thing alone was $30. This accessories pack was another $20 or $30. So I had $60 just in accessories that amounted to a lot of stuff that was very useful, but I really wanted a little bit more when I bought the Hero 6. All of my old accessories from the 920 still work with the Hero 6, but I thought I'll spend, big money this time and buy some accessories for the new Hero because I wanted the chest strap, I wanted maybe a selfie pole, something like that. So I bought something on Amazon. I don't remember who made it. Look at this in the link below. You'll see it's unique or Zookki or I don't know. When it arrived in an Amazon envelope, and it's in a lot of little Ziploc bags. Somewhere someone in China, which much love, packaged all of these into individual bags. It almost feels like I'm in college again, and I feel nearly as dirty for the things we were buying then. If you compare the quality of this, I don't know, I'm taking it out of the package for the first time. This is the head strap that I paid $30 for 8 years ago. And this is the head strap that I just paid with a bunch of other stuff about $15. They feel almost identical as far as the weight of the straps, the quality of the plastic. I'm not upset with what I've paid so far. A great selfie pole. My wife and I will love this when we take our romantic vacations to France or Spain, and I have this with a GoPro on the end of it. Look, here we are in front of the Louvre. Look, here we are in front of the Eiffel Tower. Look, here we are at the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Won't that be great, honey? Yes. See? I'm not sure if she really meant that. Some kind of floating thing. This is the main reason I bought it. If you buy the GoPro chest strap, it is fairly expensive. This actually looks like something I used to wear in track, but a different thing altogether. I'll have to get back to you on how this works out for me. But I paid $15 for it, and for $15 I get a handy little case for the GoPro. It contains lots and lots of little plastic parts, which are going to be very useful. Lots of screws. So I'll tell you this. Just opening this for the first time, I have 15 bucks in it. I had 30 in this. So, yeah. If you're looking at some accessories, you don't have a ton of cash, this stuff feels very similar to the original GoPro stuff. Now, is it going to hold up? I don't know. As I said before, the stuff in this bag here is 8 years old, and it's done great. I've only had a few things break over that time. Check back in on the channel to see how we use it and to see if we have any troubles. Thanks for watching. Where's the dog? Dog. Come to me, dog. Come here, dog. You.